Hey, it's Dustin, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review and an installation on my new AMTIFO wireless backup camera for my 30-foot Class C motorhome. So I got a new one off of Amazon. I'll post a link down in the description. It is wireless, so it actually gets a signal from the back to the front, and I'm going to show you how I set it up. So if you want to check that out, then stick with me. First, let's open up the box and I'll show you what's inside. Got our monitor. It's a 7-inch LCD monitor. Instructions, all of the tools, extra wires, and crimping devices. We got the backup camera itself. And then we have a couple mounts for the inside monitor onto your dash. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this middle marker light and pull the wires out. And then I'm going to attach the wires from the backup camera to the wires on the middle marker light. I'll turn the lights on to power these marker lights so that it's getting power. And then I will attach the monitor on the front to make sure that the camera and the monitor are syncing up and that it's providing a good signal. So the first step is the test. Okay, I've attached the camera just as a test. I've got black wire going to the black, red going to the red, and the middle clearance light. I've turned the clearance lights on, giving them power to the camera. And now I'm going to go to the front and I'm going to see if the camera is actually working, if the monitor is connecting with the camera. Okay, here we are in the front of the motorhome, and as you can see, the monitor is working with our test. So on to the next step. Okay, now that I've fished the wire through the hole and it's coming out where the marker light is at, I'm going to take the two little red crimping devices that are provided in the box to connect the wires. So I'm going to connect negative to negative and positive to positive from the camera to the marker light. Okay, here we are on the top of the motorhome. It's going to be a little bit difficult to demonstrate this, but I'm going to start with the positive. And what you're going to do is from the marker light, I'm just going to stick the positive right in this. I'm going to open this up a little bit and then fish the positive wire inside there. So the positive wire is going to go all the way through. I haven't done anything yet, it's just sitting in there. Then I'm going to take the positive wire from the camera and I'm going to stick it in the other side. And the other side has a little backing on the end here, so it can only go so far. Once those are connected and they're in the right spot, I'm going to take some pliers and I'm going to clamp down on this metal piece, and that will connect the two wires. Okay, now the positive from the marker light and the positive from the backup camera are connected and they're secure, and I'm going to put this little clamp over it to finish. I'm going to do the same thing with the black and the black. Okay, when all is said and done, the positives are connected, the negatives are connected of the camera and the marker light. I'm going to attach the marker light connection back like this, and then I will screw it back in. Okay, I've hardwired everything in, and just a little side note, it took a couple times of troubleshooting, but I found out that the red wire on the camera actually goes to the black wire on the clearance lights, and the black wire on the camera goes to the white wire on the clearance lights. Things were a little bit backwards. It took a couple tries of turning the lights on and testing it to see if the camera works, but everything's working now. All right, as you can see, I have secured everything. I've siliconed everything up so that it's watertight. And if you have any questions, go put those in the comment section below. And again, if you're interested in buying this backup camera, I got it on Amazon. I'll post the link down in the description. It is the most affordable backup camera that is wireless that I've found, and it works great. So thanks again for watching, and make today extraordinary.